Hello. Today I'm going to talking about my trainer. My trainer name is Shilpani Khare ma'am. Um, as I completed the syllabus up to HTML and CSS, and I realized that she's having huge knowledge about it. Her teaching technique is like she explain. First of all, she explain all the content, and later on she clear out doubts or difficulties. She take care of all the students that each and everyone is getting the point. She gives 100% of her um, to teach us and make us students as a good front-end developer. She conduct assignments from each and every students in every week. As we know, all type of the examples and problems are not taken in the class, or it's not possible to take in the class. So she gives us some examples with their solution on through her YouTube channel. I can say that I am lucky to having such a type of good type of guide or a trainer. Thank you.